Was looking for the, we got in at 10 after, 5 after 1. I was just looking for the 130 pullback, am I right? If you break the squeeze box, we come to the 100% mark. That's a good way to take off your profit, am I right? I think I take it off here. We get filled there for $100. What you think? 100, 110, $115 I'm out. Just keep this guy. All right. So this take a whole half hour to work. This trade take half an hour to work. This too. We didn't get filled in this. So this was a 105, 110 trade down into 130. Book your profit. As 130, they usually pivot up back, correct, guys? So the back from lunch. This is the 130 print here. 130 print is here. So we expect price to come back by 1:50, 2 o'clock and test this print. Same thing with this print here, right? Now that's the 130 print. Come back and test it, and then we try to take it down again. Okay. So if you Rakesh, if you took this trade, you should be trailing your stop. All right. Or I tell you when before I step away, this here is your stop above here, right? The stop above this one was here. The stop for this one was here. All right. But we stay with it, see what happened. Make 115 here, and then we let this run, all right? You're going to trade sideways, though. I know, never fill my. We could have chased it, but I didn't want to because it was choppy here, you know. So we'd take a little heat. I figure if it was a continuous bounce up here, test this level and then down. But this one was good though. All right. This was good. We use our chart here again to get in this one, right? Here, took it down, we're done. RTY paying us, you know what I mean, sir? Yeah, well, they're not going to raise interest rate, right? But what is said about tapering have a lot to do, right? I think they're going to clarify it and they're going to keep it normal. There shouldn't be much, but you never know with this market, bro. Never know about this market. It's coming up again. Oh, Biden speaking, guys. Look at why, bro. They're just running the shit. Look at this.
National labs, land grant universities, historical black
Run it
colleges
up,
and
run it down.
universities to innovate the technologies needed to generate, store, and transmit clean electricity across distances. Battery technology and a whole range of other things. We need engineers to design them and workers to manufacture them. We need iron
NQ
workers and
short
welders to
search
install
signal.
them. Technologies they invent, design, and build will ultimately become cheaper than any other kind of energy, helping us dramatically expand our economy and create more jobs with a cleaner environment. And will become the world's largest exporter of those technologies, creating even more jobs. We're also going to build 1.5 million new energy efficient homes and public housing units that are going to benefit communities three times over. One, by alleviating the affordable housing crisis. Two, by increasing energy efficiency. And three, by reducing the racial wealth gap linked to home ownership. We're also going to create more than 250,000 jobs to do things like plug the millions of abandoned oil and gas wells that pose an ongoing threat to the health and safety of our communities. They're abandoned wells. They're open now. And we're going to put people to work. They're not going to lose jobs in these areas. They're going to create jobs. They're going to get prevailing wage to cap those over 1 million wells. These aren't pie in the sky dreams. These are concrete, actionable solutions. And we know how to do this. The Obama-Biden administration reduce the auto industry, rescue the auto industry, and help them retool. We need solar energy, cost competitive with traditional energy, weatherizing more. We made it cost competitive, weatherizing more than 1 million homes. put climate change at the center of our domestic.
Let me see
national
after the
security,
speech
and
if they're
foreign
gonna
policy.
sell off. Okay, guys.
It's advancing conservation.
Get in the sell whippy discuss. Thing dropped 14 points. 14 ticks. It's crazy, huh?
Talks about what it'll cost. We do nothing. And there's a scientist named Drew Shindell. He's at Duke and NASA. He testified before Congress that holding to 2 degrees, we've raised ourselves, we've heated up the planet about 1.1 degrees. Holding it to 2 would save 4.5 million premature deaths, 2.5 million hospitalizations, 300 million lost.
Sort of views this and continues to have a climate, essentially climate change being thought about, incorporated throughout the government. We will see if this takes. So thanks for being with us this hour. We'll be back tomorrow with more Meet the Press Daily. MSNBC's coverage continues with Katie Tur right after this break.
You're waiting to visit your doctor right now, but if you're experiencing irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain,
158.
fatigue, or lightheadedness, don't wait to contact your doctor because these symptoms could be signs of a serious condition like atrial fibrillation, which could make you about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. Your symptoms can mean something serious, so this is no time to wait. Talk to a doctor by phone, online, or in person.
Still VP, guys. Still VP. This is still VP here. To put on an E-mini. See the speech done?
That I'm starting to do on Ancestry, having Ancestry.
See, what the hell? Look at this, man. Ah!
Connecting in real
Okay, I got feeling this garbage. Finally, see where we could land here. We look into break here and come here again. So. But it's whippy, man. Just drop here, bro. 40 tick drop.
Cattle, grain, even shells represented value. Then currency came along. They made it out of copper, gold, silver, wampum. Soon people decided to put all that value.
So whippy got you.
Then proceeded to wave goodbye to value, printing unlimited amounts of money as they passed the buck to the future. That's why.
Let me see if RTY gonna pay us again, man. But as a new trader, don't trade it, okay? Still whippy. If it just may have an opportunity here to take it down again, okay? So what else they're gonna say? There's nothing else to say. They can't do nothing to speed up this economy, right? It's strictly on vaccination and curtailing the virus. Other than that, the economy is still shut. All right. So let me see if we get the drop. Here we come now, guys. Took a little heat, had to add here. Took a little heat, have to add here. Have two now. Let me see if we get a big drop here. 240 here, 190, 120. So fast it's moving, guys. You gotta be fast with this trade. All right. Just eat up all my profit. Gonna take one off here. I'm not giving back anything. Okay. So this is like a $500 scalp play, right? From the previous one and this one. Can't go wrong, right? RTY is like the Fed printing money for us. It's very jumpy, right? See that? Come back and take back my $90. See that guy? Well, that's all right. They're going to hold it. We got a momentum shift. All right. Got a momentum shift here. See, if you're not in it, you better take it. Momentum shift, pop up. All right. Let me see which chart, how this chart is doing it. Yeah, if he come back here again, they look to take it down. All right. Should pop back down here, right? Trading in this range here. One more drop we want. Want one more drop back here. They come back and test this. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Come and touch it though. Look, $110. I'm taking it off, guy. 140, I'm done. All right. 135. So wait for that drop. So if you didn't have it, you take it. All right. We got it. I'm done. So there's a nice scalp here, taking off the micro also. All right. That was a nice play, guys. It's a long session. Take a long time to materialize, but we make money, right? Look for the next trade.